Ready whenever you're ready.
Copy that, sir. Better. Step to the counter, take your full name for the judge. Step to the counter, full name for the judge. All the way.
Brooke Chamberlain?
Do you have a middle name at all?
No.
Okay. You still live on Cinnabar Avenue?
No.
Okay, hang on one second. What is your current address?
I don't have one.
Okay. Are you staying in the Payson area? But
No.
just okay. What area are you staying in?
Prescott?
Okay. All right. Do you have an email address?
No.
Okay. How about a phone number?
No.
Okay. The state is alleging two charges against you. First charge is assault. The second charge is disorderly conduct. Both of those charges are filed under a domestic violence charge. On those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for an arraignment on the 31st of December at 9 a.m. The arraignment is where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to those charges. Depending on how you plead will be what happens with the next court proceeding, and all of those options, as well as the penalty ranges, will be explained to you prior to giving your plea, so you'll be informed prior to giving that plea. Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately if you obtain an address. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Do not contact the alleged victim in any manner. Does the alleged victim have a residence?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're not to contact that alleged victim in any manner. It's not a permanent order, but it is while it's going through the court process. Okay? And then I'm ordering you to pretrial services. So what that means is when you're released out of custody, I'm going to provide you a name and phone number. It's to the probation department. You're not on probation, but you are on release services. So they're going to monitor you to make sure you're abiding by these release conditions and to make sure you're appearing at your court date. Any violation of the release conditions or failure to report to pretrial services and follow their instructions can result in the revoke of your release and you be taken back into custody. Do you understand that? All right. So since you don't have a phone, make a phone call before you walk out of the facility. I'm planning on releasing you, so the detention staff will let you make a phone call, contact them, and then you'll have to coordinate how the future contacts are going to go since you don't have a phone. Okay. All right. Can you abide by those release conditions?
Yeah.
And you'll show up to court as ordered?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll release you on your own recognizance then. Do you have any questions?
So if I like go to like Kingman or like where my family's at, do I have to come back to Payson?
Well, what you can do is if you go there, that is quite a distance. So I can allow you to appear telephonically for that arraignment. Would you like that to happen?
Yeah, probably.
All right. So what you got to do is when you find out where you're going, is to make sure that you report to the court a phone number to be able to call you to do that. Okay.
Okay.
So the time range is going to be from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. We'll call you on the 31st of December, okay? So you just have to provide us a phone number so we can do that. So you can email it to us. That's no problem.
Okay.
I'll indicate that you're allowed to appear telephonically and we'll provide us a phone number. Any other questions in that?
No.
Okay, so just make sure you make the phone call to the probation department with the information that I give you, and then make sure you report to us a phone number so we're able to call you on that arraignment date, okay?
Okay.
All right, and if you're staying at a place, also update us with that address.
Okay.
All right, that's all I've got for you.
Go ahead and follow the officer.
And I'll send it to you, Mr. French?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
thanks.
sir.
You bet.